Today we're making Doner-inspired kebabs with bison, and you don't even need a vertical rotisserie to pull it off. For the meat, we'll add finely diced onion and garlic, then season everything with sumac, smoked paprika, cumin, green chili flakes, fresh dill, and Greek yogurt. Mix until well combined. Once the mixture is ready, grab a long sheet of parchment paper. Pile the bison into the center and flatten into an even layer. I like to place a second sheet of parchment on top so I can press it out extra thin without making a mess. From there, start at one end and roll the parchment into a log shape. The parchment between the layers helps the meat cook evenly and keeps those thin Doner-style layers intact as it bakes. Place the rolled parchment log onto a baking sheet and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes or until fully cooked through. Let it rest for a few minutes before carefully unwrapping it. As you unroll the meat, it should naturally break apart into those perfectly thin strips. Give it another minute or two to let the juices settle, then it's time to build the pitas. You can top your kebab however you like. I went with red hot chilies, fresh red onion, sliced cucumber, shredded lettuce, and a big old dollop of Greek yogurt. These Doner-inspired bison kebab are packed with flavor, come together surprisingly easily, and make a lighter alternative to heavier meats without sacrificing that rich, savory bite. Perfect for pita night. What recipes would you like to see us cook up next? Let us know in the comments, and head on over to Great Range Bison for even more recipe inspiration.